Good day everyone, we are the BSIT student from System Plus College Foundation, and today we'll be presenting our research proposal titled Design and Development of a Remote Accessible Inventory Management System for ITS. This study focuses on creating a web-based system that helps the Information Technology Services Department management and monitor their assets efficiently and securely. I am Gio Navarro, and my group members are Rico Nevler Garcia, Miguel Andre Dizon, and Kyle Haren Sangeles. Next slide. In modern institution, the ITS department manage a large number of devices such as computer, router, peripherals. However, traditional method like spreadsheet or manual logs are prone to error, data loss, and poor accessibility, especially in remote work environments. To address this issue, we propose a web-based inventory management system that centralizes all asset information into a single database. This system allows authorized users to access and manage data securely from any internet-connected devices. Next. The main problem we identify is the inefficiency in managing ITS assets due to scattered and unauthorized data. Information such as device name, serial numbers, and locations are often stored separately, leading to confusion and inaccuracy. So our study aims to answer this key question. Number one, how can the system centralize all ITS assets information into one accessible database? Second, how can remote access be securely integrated? Third, what authentication method can ensure data security? Fourth, how can automation improve accuracy and reporting? Fifth, and finally, how effective is the development system in terms of accuracy, accessibility, and user satisfaction? Next. Objectives. Our main objective is to design and develop a web-based inventory management system for the ITS department. Specifically, we aim to centralize all ITS asset information to a single platform, to integrate remote accessibility for authorized user, implement user authentication, and role-based access control. This enables real-time synchronization and automated reporting, and enhance data security through encryption and backups. Next, evaluate the system's performance in terms of accuracy, accessibility, security, and user satisfaction. Next. The scopes of our study focuses on the design and development and testing of the remote accessible inventory management system for the ITS department. The system will include centralized database, role-based access control, and real-time data updates, automated reporting, and secure data backup mechanism. However, the study will not cover this like software license tracking, financial inventory management, and the large scale of deployment outside the ITS department. It will also be web-based only, not a mobile app. Testing will be conducted with the selected ITS personnel to evaluate our system performance. Next. In our review of related literature, we found that many global and local studies support the use of web-based inventory system for better accuracy, security, and accessibility. Globally, researchers such as Pasaribu 2021 and Satai Raj and Kumar 2021 emphasize that the real-time web system reduces human error, improve monitoring. And locally, Ella and Padillo 2021 and and Carnaccio 2023 showed that centralized system enhance data integrity, resource, and management in school and institutions. Our synthesis show that while existing system improve efficiency, most lack remote accessibility and secure authentication gap our project aim to fill. Next, the old way is the traditional tracking method, causes mistake and make it hard to find or access information. The new system which we propose, the system centralizes assets info with security and can access remotely. The next one is the proposed system centralized asset. To improve operation, it's made to help the IT department work more efficiently. The evaluation checks the performance. The system will be tested to see how accurate and easy to use, and the safety and satisfying it is. Next, the research design. The type of research, the study uses developmental descriptive design, meaning the researchers both created something and described it. They built and tested a system based on what users said they needed. And next, the next one is who participated. Around the respondent are around 3 to 4 IT staff members tested and evaluated the system. The last one is they check how well the system works in terms of functional, usability, accuracy, accessibility, and security. Next. Respondent and participant. Selected ITS personnel with experience in inventory management system, purposive sampling, voluntary participation with informed consent. Next. Research instrument. Structured questionnaires with 2 parts. One is demographics. Second is system evaluation, like what I've said, functionality, usability, accessibility, accuracy, and security. 5 points like scale, reliability, Cronbach alpha is equals to 0.9, which is excellent. Statistical treatment. Number 1, frequency and percentage distribution. Used to summarize basic information about participant, like how many said yes or no or rated something certain ways. Weighted mean used to find the average rating of the system based on users' feedback. The third one, interpretation scale. This is on how to read the results. 4.21 to 5.00 is very high. 3.41 to 4.20 is high. 2.61, 3.40 is moderate. 1.81, 2.60 is low, and 1.00 to 1.80 is very low. Our conclusion is the system resolves the problem in the traditional IT asset management to centralize the data and involve security and enable a remote access. The next one is a real data update and automated reporting, increase on operational efficiency. And the last one is to provide a reliable solution tailored to IT department. So that's all for the presentation. We'll proceed to the questionnaires given by the panelists. Now my members will be answering the Q&A which has been provided by the panelists. Number 1, what specific problem or gap in the current information technology landscape does your concept aim to address? Riker?
The specific problem this study addressed in the inefficient and fragmented method of managing IT assets within the Information Technology Service ITS department, where information such as device name, serial number, and location stored separately across the spreadsheet and the manual logs. This led to data inaccuracy, duplication, and loss of record, especially when accessed remotely. Additionally, the absence of centralized and secure web-based system limit the ability of ITS personnel to update or monitor inventory in real time. The proposed system is directly target this gap by providing a controlled, centralized database with a remote accessibility, user authentication, role-based access, control, and automated reporting, ensuring the asset information remains accurate and synchronized and securely managed.
The second question is, how does your proposed system or technology improve the efficiency, security, or the user experience compared to an existing solution?
The proposed remote accessible inventory management system enhances efficiency, security, and user experience by addressing the weakness of traditional inventory process. It streamlines operations through a centralized web-based platform that enables real-time updates, automated reporting, and faster tracking of IT assets, eliminating manual errors and delays. Security is reinforced through authentication, role-based access, encryption, and regular data backups to protect sensitive information from authorized access or loss. With its intuitive web-accessible interface, user can conveniently manage assets anytime and anywhere, ensure a smooth, secure, and efficient management experience.
The third question is, what are the key feature or component of your proposed IT concept, and how do they integrate to achieve your objectives?
The system includes a centralized database, secure login and access control, automated reporting, real-time data updates, and regular data backups. All these features work together to make inventory management faster, more accurate, and more secure.
The fourth question is, what resource, technologies, or platform are required to implement your proposal successfully?
We use web technologies such as HTML, CSS, SQL, and a database management system hosted on a secure web server. The system also complies with the Data Privacy Act of 2012 to ensure protection of all sensitive data.
The fifth question is, how do you plan to measure the effectiveness or impact of your proposed IT concept once deployed?
The effectiveness of the proposed remote accessible inventory management system will be measured through the systematic evaluation process involving selected ITS personnel. The study will use the structured questionnaires designed to assess key performance indicators such as functionality and usability, accessibility, accuracy, and the security. Each indicator will be related using the 5-point like the scale to quantify the user certification system performance. Additionally, descriptive statistical tools such as frequency and percentage distribution and weight mean will be applied to analyze and collected data. The evaluation result will determine how well the result meets the objective, and particularly improving the inventory accuracy, ensuring data security, and providing reliable remote access. Feedback from ITS personnel will also use to assess the system overall impact on operation efficiency and user experience. That's all. Thank you for your time and attention. That concludes our presentation. We appreciate your interest in our study. We hope our research and contributes improving system management system and efficiency.